welcome to another session of writing an IELTS Task 2. But before we proceed, I request you to subscribe to the channel Ghazal English Lab, like the videos and share this video to all those attempting the IELTS exam and find it hard to score a 7+ band in writing. In IELTS Writing Task 2, you are supposed to write an essay, and today we will be going to learn how to write a problem solution essay. The duration given is 40 minutes and the word limit is 250 words and plus. I always request to my student, and I request you also, please count and write. Please count as you write. Because if you write a 9-band essay and if you have written 249 words, you may get disqualified. So, to avoid this disqualification, please count and write. What is a problem solution essay? We all know that you may get one essay to write, but there are 5 different types of essay, among which you may get any one. So, one of its kind is a problem solution essay. This essay requires you to identify a problem and propose one or more solutions. This is often presented as what are the problems and how can they be solved question. So in this, the invigilator wants to know how well you can understand where the actual problem is and what best solution you can provide. Now, don't get confused. The invigilator is only concerned about checking your English, not about the exact level of problem and the exact level of solution. But yes, the logical flow of the essay matters. So, you must identify a problem and you can suggest one or more solution. Let us see the essay structure. Introduction, you have to write a paragraph 1, which will be the problem that you have noticed, which you have made out. Paragraph 2, in which you will provide the solution and conclusion. So let us see how we can write a good essay with the help of this structure. But before proceeding, a tip for you all. You can mention one or more problem, but the number of problems should be presented with equivalent solutions also. So keep it balanced, keep it clear. You can even present one problem and present one solution to that problem. No need to mention 3, 4, 5 problems. Okay? But whatever problem you quote, please provide a solution also for that. Let us start learning now. Understanding how to write. Let me explain it to you with the help of a prompt. Now, here is a prompt on the screen. Many young people face difficulties finding jobs after graduating from a university. Please note, this is just a statement. Okay? This is just a statement. Let me highlight it to you. Please note that this is a statement. In this, there is no problem presented to you. There is no solution presented to you. It's a simple statement that young people face difficulties in finding jobs after graduating from a university. It's a general statement. Now, the question that follows is the task assigned to you. What are the causes of this problem and what solutions can you suggest? What are the causes of this problem? So the task is you have to find the reason for the problem. What are the problem because of this and what solutions can you suggest? Okay, so when you are assessed for task achievement, the invigilator tries to understand how well you have presented the problem and how well you have presented the solution. There should be a logical flow to the problem you have presented. The solution should be aligned with the problem you present. Now, let us write an introduction. You have to paraphrase the question and you have to write the essay outline. In that, you have to state what the essay will do. So let us study it with a sample. Here is a sample on your screen. So if you read carefully, you can see that this is the paraphrased prompt. The original task is also there on the screen. Compare it with the paraphrased prompt. It's just that the words have been changed. Okay, and here is the essay outline. What exactly the reader is supposed to expect from the essay that will follow after this introduction. Let us understand how to write a paragraph. The first paragraph will be of problems because of that statement that can arise because of the statement that was stated to you. I hope you have all noted down in the notebooks, because here, because of the small space, I won't be able to present the prompt. So here is the sample. So this is the thesis. See, in the thesis, the writer is presenting the reason. The reason is graduate unemployment is match between the academic education and market demand. This is the supporting statement to support the thesis, the reason for the graduate unemployment. Many of universities offer theoretical courses that do not evidently equip students with practical skills required by the employers. So this statement is supporting my thesis. This is the evidence that I am providing. For instance, a graduate. See, the evidence starts with for instance. A graduate in history or literature may find it difficult to compete in job markets dominated by technology and business sector. As a result, the summary starts with as a result. Students may leave university well educated but unemployable. Okay. In the paragraph 2, I shall be presenting the solution. The structure will be the same: thesis, supporting statement, evidence and summary. Let us see the thesis. To solve this issue, the solution I am providing starts with the cohesive device to solve this issue. Universities should revise their curriculum to include more job-oriented programs and internship opportunities. Here I am presenting the supporting statement to support my thesis. By offering training in high-demand fields like digital marketing, coding, and data analysis, students can develop practical skills that improve employability. Here, in this sentence, I have provided evidence along with summary. See, you have the liberty to write it as you wish. The structure is same, but I have provided the evidence with the summary. For example, programs that integrate work placements with academic study have proven effective in countries like Germany and Canada. Now let us see how to conclude the essay. The structures, you have to summarize the main idea, summarize the problem and the solution that you have presented, and let us see how to present a conclusion. You have to summarize the main idea, the general statement that was given to you, and the problem arising because of it, and then emphasize the solution. Here is the sample. Concluding paragraph starts with "in conclusion." Here is the summary of the main idea with the problem arising with it. And here I have presented my solution. I have emphasized my solution. You can take the screenshot if you want. Now, what are the useful language for problem solution essay? To describe a problem, one major problem is, a key issue is, this leads to, and to propose a solution, you can start with one possible solution is to tackle this problem. This can be achieved by, to link ideas, you can use cohesive devices like furthermore, in addition, as a result, therefore, for instance. Be very liberal in using the cohesive devices. A band 9 tip, of course, please clearly state the problem and the solution. Always stay focused, don't go off topic. Use specific examples, keep your ideas logical and connected. Please use a formal tone and use a variety of vocabulary. Proofread your grammar and spelling before submitting your answer sheets. What are the common mistakes a candidate can commit? Giving only a solution. But solution to what problem? Writing too generally. Please remember, you are writing an IELTS exam, not a school exam. Using informal or emotional language. Emotion has got nothing to do with IELTS. What IELTS has got to do with is your level of English. Simple. Repeating the same words, a very big mistake. Not organizing ideas in paragraph. You have to follow the skeleton of the essay or the structure of essay that I have presented. That will help you organize your thoughts well before you even start writing. Not checking your essay before submitting. Big mistake. Maybe there are some punctuations missing that you need to finish it, or there may be some spelling mistakes, like candidates generally write small I for I, whereas it should be written, capital I, or they write capital letters for common nouns, whereas a common noun should always start with a small letter, and a proper noun should always start with a capital letter. Proper use of semicolon, proper use of comma. Now here is the full sample essay. This was the prompt that we were discussing, and this is the full essay. I shall be removing my video so that you can read the full essay. See this, here the space I get is very small, so maybe the words you may find a little less. But when you write exam, what I am teaching you here is a way of writing. Eventually what you have to write in exam is according to the criteria. This sample is just to help you organize the thoughts as it should be organized, so that you save time. Here are some practice prompts which you can practice for the problem solution essay. I'm sure practicing these prompts will definitely help you master writing a problem solution essay. Here also I'm removing my video so that you can take a screenshot, and please practice as much as you can. And finally, thank you for watching the full video, and please like the video and share the video to all those who are aspiring to appear for the IELTS exam. And if you want intensive coaching, so there is a form in the description link. You can fill in that form, reach out, and we can provide an offline coaching also to you. Thank you.